Hi guys, see me again, Wari Bird. This time we discuss how so that rubber food is not scattered, guys. So that I don't clean every day. This is an example of where I can make food as much as possible so as not to scatter it. Underneath, I give a try, guys, so the food doesn't fall down. Why I'm giving a try? Because if food fall on the tray, they can eat food again. In addition, it is also not to scatter other than try, guys. I give the mat so that the tray falls on the placement. My bird have 3 pairs. I usually give one dispenser, one for whip. If the drink is the same, I give one dispenser too, but I change it every day, every 3 days. It shall be every day, but because I don't have same, guys, so I change in every day, 3 days. That's my way so that rubber food doesn't fall apart. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button because the subscribe is free, guys. Thank you.